Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily show inactive tabs marked on your Google Chrome. Let's begin. First, this is going to be a very simple and straightforward process. Simply open up Chrome and then go ahead, click on this three dotted icon on the top right portion of your screen. Go to Settings, and from here on the left panel, click on Performance. Then here you will notice the option inactive tabs performance. What I mean is appearance. It will say in here a dotted circle appears around site icons. So simply turn this on or enable this. And don't worry, this will not mess up anything on your profile or your Chrome settings. You can toggle this off if you want to. Just go back here. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.